In this video, we will learn how to fight in Fortnite. Fighting in Fortnite basically revolves around two of your main skills, which is aiming and mechanics. Aiming and mechanics both are something that you cannot just change overnight, but you have to practice a lot in order to make changes to them. One of the first steps to fighting in Fortnite will be always keeping your weapon out. So suppose enemy is in front of you and trying to build, which will often result in you getting killed if you do not have your weapon out in front of you. Another tip, and a very crucial tip, will be always playing from cover. If you do not play from cover, you can get caught out in the open and the enemy will just take advantage of that and they will eliminate you on sight. You will always want to set up your fight according to your favor and play according to a build and piece controlling enemies. You also have to try to master various peaks, so if you do one peak every game, enemy will just recognize it and they will punish you accordingly. But if you build different types of peaking habits each game, it will lead to a more sophisticated gameplay and you will get more kills that way. Another tip while fighting will be to always keep pressure applied onto your opponent that you are fighting. If you do not keep pressure applied, destroy their builds, or do not pressure them at all, they will just run all over you and eventually kill you. And another crucial part in fighting will be if you get very low, you need to heal up in order to continue the fight. And if you are healing up, you need to always make sure that you are in box. So you should never heal out in the open. Always try to heal within a confined space so the enemy do not see you and they cannot see you in this situation. Another crucial tip will be pre-firing. Pre-firing refers to when you fight and you shoot your enemy in front of you and you do not want to get traded, so you just instantly build in front of them. So if you shoot a guy and just build a wall in front of them, they will not shoot you back and you can easily have the trading advantage in this situation. Another important tip will be crouching up and down while fighting, because it makes you a harder target to kill and you can abuse this to kill the enemy quicker because they cannot aim you easily. And finally, you will always want to peacekeep your enemies in Fortnite, because if you do not do that, they will just escape out of that location and you won't be able to deal much damage to them. So these are some crucial tips you can use in Fortnite to fight, and you can thrive by using these methods. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.